Sorry about that. I haven't been down to the trail in a few days. We've had some storms. So I wanted to see how the water has been draining since we've added a few things to the trail that's a little less natural. So as you can see right here, water's coming down. The leaves are collecting on this stair right here, and then the water is going down kind of to the left of the stairs, and then collecting right there by that tree, and then flowing down this natural gully right here. As you can see, it's storing quite a bit. I don't know if you can see all the way down there, but it's really washing out the leaves. And our trail, that step, that landing held out pretty well. We may have to put some rocks there. Now right here is something of interest. This was a definite place that we saw a lot of water coming down before. So Shelley built a diversion, and it actually wasn't really much of a diversion. It was just an affirmation of where the water should go, because it was already going there, but then it washed out down here a little bit to the left side of the tree. So Shelley just put in some rocks, and then across the trail I put in those, and it looks like it's working quite well. Water's going down there, and then it's following down into the forest. What's nice about this is before it was coming here, and we had a wall right here. So the water was stopping at the wall and then running down the trail and washing out all of our flattened out walls there. So creating this diversion right here has basically saved our trail. And it looks like we're going to have to do it again. Right here, this is another natural gully, and it's I don't know if you can tell. I cut down some of these invasive trees, but right there is a much larger natural gully. And so right here, trees or leaves have been washed out quite a bit right there, and they all came down from up here. So we're going to probably do the same thing right here. Place more rocks and take away that stick and just let water wash through. And then when we walk to the trail, we just have to step over this, because what's happening is water's collecting right there, and then once it built up the leaves, it looks like it washed down right there, and then it's starting to wash out underneath that step, which is a rock, and continuing along down the hill. That's not good. That will eventually wash out that rock completely. So we can't have that. So anyway, here's the trail as it is right now. Still a work in progress. And decided to put a bunch of rocks here. And it's kind of fun. Alright, so that's the rain update. Everything looks good other than that.